Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I'm so excited to share with you guys that me and my husband created these really cute DIY home decorations to go in our bedroom. You guys can see them back here in the background. If you guys want to know how we created them, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for any future video. And let's go ahead and get started and go to Home Depot.
Is Home Depot. We're gonna come to Home Depot to pick up some of our supplies for a DIY. And I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me, I have a mask on, so that's the reason why I'm talking a little bit funny. But anyhow, we're going to Home Depot to pick up our supplies. Okay, so now we're gonna pick up our hardware. So we have a big selection to choose from. I'm thinking we're gonna go with this one right here. I like how it has like that little detail on the little knobs. So I'm thinking we're gonna go with that one. We're gonna pick up 2 pieces of those. Now we're gonna pick out our wood. We're not gonna go with the big ones. We're actually gonna go with 2 small pieces. Can you show us the pieces, please? Okay, so we're gonna go with those 2 pieces for the mason jars. Next, we're gonna pick up some rollers because we're gonna paint our wood, and we're actually picking up the really small rollers. Yeah, this size is good. We're gonna be actually painting our wood planks antique white. So that's the color, and that's what we're gonna be doing next. Okay guys, so now we came to Walmart and we're just picking up the rest of our supplies. This is what we're picking up so it can look a little bit more antique-ish and varnish. We are also picking up our mason jars. We actually only found these, and I think the color is perfect, so it'll match the rest of our house.
All right, and right here, we're just doing a shape to the wood. We wanted it to kind of be a little bit unique, so we're doing a shape to it. And down on this clip, we are now using the router to give it like a nice edge up on the edges, so it has like a little bit design. We wanted to kind of custom make it. So this is what it is looking like. That is a shape. Here we are routing all the edges all up, and the dust literally got all over the place, so it got really messy. But the final look with it being routed came out so nice. I'm like so super excited about how it came out. Here we are reshaping the other wood plank again, going through with it with the router, and those are the edges there. Now here we are sanding it all out before we go in and actually painting it. So we're gonna sand out the wood planks, and in another clip we also do sand it out again once it is painted. So here is the paint. We actually painted these antique white so it can go with the rest of our house, since it does have like a barn feel to it. This is by the brand Bear. That's the paint that we got, and it's in the color antique white. So we just used a really small roller since the wood planks are really small. And here we are just painting it all nicely, getting those edges so it can look super fabulous all together. All right, and we are almost about done, about to be done painting these. And ta-da, this is the final look. This is what they look like. The look is coming together once it's all dry. This is what they look like, and we are gonna start setting the hardware on the wood, but this is so far what it is kind of looking like. So this is the finished product. This is what it looks like once it has the hardware. Now we just gotta put the accessories in, right? Okay, and here is one of the wood planks. So all we did, we just tied the rope around the mason jar. We did a little bow to the front. We hung it and we added our flowers. So here's one more to go. Okay, so right here we are now starting to tie the rope around the mason jar, and we just want to make sure that the length is a proper length once we hang it onto the hardware right here, because we are still going to add the flowers to it. So we are just tying it around the mason jar. The mason jar is all done, all complete. It is ready to be hung. Voila! Okay guys, and here is the final look. So freaking cute. All right guys, so we are about to be done. All we need to do is just place these little holders. I'm not exactly sure what the name of them are, but they are those little things that hold your actual items. So we are just nailing them down and they are about to be ready to be hung. We just got to place these on both of the wood planks all together. So here's one. It is all done. This is what it looks like once it's complete. We are going to move over to the next one, and here is both of them all set, ready to be hung. So here we are trying to figure out the measurements on this so they can be hung up nice and evenly and nicely placed. And then we're almost about to be done. Here it is. It's now hung. Now we just need to add the accessory onto it. And this is what it's looking like so far. I'm so obsessed. I love the feel of the room. It just feels nice and cozy. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the reveal. This is what my room is looking like all together, and it just feels so nice and so cozy. I love like this main entrance wall. When you walk into the room, that's the first wall that you're gonna see. It's just so freaking cute. All right guys, so this is what the mason jar decorations look like. And the little flowers were also from Walmart. I forgot to mention that on the video, but we got the little flowers from Walmart as well. And in the middle, we have the Always and Forever wood sign. And we actually did that one ourselves as well. However, I didn't get this one on video because I wasn't planning to record a YouTube video on this. I just got a bunch of requests after I had posted it on my Snapchat. So I was only able to do the DIY on video for the mason jars, but this one was also very easy to do. All we did was get some flat wood, and then we got the other wood, which is out on the edges. It has like this really nice texture to it. We painted it antique white, the same color, because like my full house is pretty much the same color, and it has like this really nice like barn feel to it. It's like really nice and cozy. So we actually ended up getting that dark wood at Home Depot. And I picked out that other color because I wanted it to contrast along with our fan that we have up here, because it has like a dark wood on it, as well as like the countertops of the, what is this, of the chest. And we just wanted it to pop, and we custom made the letters. So my sister-in-law actually has this machine. I'm not sure what the name of the machine is, but she actually ended up making a stencil for us, and we painted it, and it says Always and Forever. We actually went in and distressed the wood so it can give it like that nice vintage barn feel to it. And we custom made it and made it our own by putting the year that me and my husband got together, and at the bottom it says established in 2000. So yes, this is what my whole decor looks like all together, all done, all by doing it yourself. So I was actually going through my phone, and I actually did save some of the clips from my Snapchat when we were making this wood art sign right above us. So I'll go ahead and I'll insert those clips here now. The quality is not the best. They're just clips from my Snapchat. So going forward, I will make sure to start recording my DIYs. I just did not realize I got so much feedback that you guys wanted me to record how we did that, so that's why I recorded the second DIY on the mason jars. But yes, thank you guys so much for your feedback. So make sure you're following me on my social media. If you guys don't find me on YouTube, you guys can find me there. So yes, I will insert the clips of this little wood barn sign on the next clips. So I think I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I think that's all I have to share with you guys. I want to say thank you guys so much for letting me know that you guys want this kind of content. I will ensure to make sure that I continue recording these type of videos for you guys. I honestly didn't know that you guys were interested in like the actual hardware home decor DIYs, but I will make sure to start recording them going forward. So if you're not following me on my social medias, please make sure to do so. I will be leaving all of my handles down below on the description bar. Honestly, I've been hooked on Pinterest, and that's where I'm getting the majority of my inspiration from. It's from Pinterest. Like, Pinterest is the app to be on. So yes, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below if you guys want me to do any additional DIYs and share them with you guys, or any ideas. I will also be doing a room tour pretty soon because I get a lot of requests on that as well, and where I get my furniture, so I'll be sharing all of that information. So that's gonna be it for today before I start rambling. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.